ay vitreous floater. This is a benign condition of the eye. Hindi naman nakakatakot ang condition na to at hindi rin ito nakakabulag. Hi friends! Welcome to another Minute of Eye Care with Doc Joy for Chua Eye Center. Pag minsan ba nakakakita kayo na parang may lamok or langaw na dumadaan sa paningin nyo and then pag ginanon nyo wala naman pala? Or pag minsan ba napapansin nyo na kapag lumabas kayo sa masyadong maliwanag or white yung wall na tinitingnan nyo, meron kayo parang gray na dot na nakikita nyo na floating around, pero wala naman talaga. Ang tinatawag natin dito ay vitreous floater. This is a benign condition of the eye. Hindi naman nakakatakot ang condition na to at hindi rin ito nakakabulag. We just observe, tingnan natin kung medyo dumadami sila. Pero in case na parang dumadami sila at meron ng kasamang flashes of light or parang may kidlat na sa paningin nyo, it's best that we check the retina. Kasi it might be something more than a vitreous floater. Especially kung may diabetes kayo, we really have to check na hindi hemorrhage or dugo yung nakikita ninyo. That's just a gentle reminder, my friends. Alright? So kita-kits again tayo. And remember to take care, because I care.